Hi students, welcome to my maths classes. This is your RK sir. Today we are going to discuss a few problems in class 9 exercise 2.4. The question is, if ax square plus bx plus c and bx square plus ax plus c have a common factor x plus 1, then show that c is equal to 0 and a is equal to b. Let f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and another quadratic polynomial considered as g of x. G of x is equal to bx square plus ax plus c. Okay, here for these two polynomials, what is the common factor? X plus 1. So according to factor theorem, if f of x is divided by x plus 1, then f of minus 1 is equal to 0, is it? Now put the x value minus 1 in the f of x, then it becomes f of minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c, that is equal to 0, is it? Because of f of minus 1 value is 0. Minus 1 whole square value plus 1, because of minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus c, that is equal to 0. So from here a minus b plus c is equal to 0. So here a plus c is equal to b. It is equation 1. Is it? Now see, x plus 1 is also factor of g of x. Therefore g of minus 1 is equal to 0 by factor theorem. Should write here reason, factor theorem. So g of minus 1 is replace x by minus 1, is it? So g of minus 1 is equal to b into minus 1 whole square plus a into x value minus 1 plus c constant, that is equal to 0. Therefore b into 1 plus a into minus 1 plus c is equal to 0. From here b minus a plus c is equal to 0, is it? b 1 b plus a into minus 1 minus a. So b plus c is equal to a. It is equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. How to solve? In second equation, replace b by a plus c. Okay. Value of b write in this equation 2. Then it becomes a plus c divided a plus c plus c is equal to a. Now here same quantity on either side of equal. So gets cancelled. C plus c 2c is equal to 0. Or we can write c is equal to 0 by 2 0. We got or not? C value 0. Yes. Now put c value in equation 2. Then it becomes from equation 2 b plus c value 0. C value 0 is equal to a. So from here a is equal to b. A is equal to b. So is it easy or not? We got a value b. So both values required we got. Yes. So answer shown. Is it clear? Whether it is easy or not? Very easy. Let us solve second problem, that is another problem. If x square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 3x minus 18 have common factor x minus a. Here also, this problem also like previous problem itself. So consider f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Is it? Second polynomial g of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. Given x minus a is a common factor for f of x and g of x. So since x minus a is a factor of f of x, then what can I write? F of minus plus a is equal to 0. Therefore put x value a in f of x, then it becomes a square minus a minus 6 is equal to 0. Is it? It is equation 1. You factorize it. We already learned factorization of a quadratic polynomial. So by product we should get minus 6, by sum we should get minus 1. So minus 6 can be written as minus 3 into 2 and minus 1 can be written as minus 3 plus 2. Am I correct or not? So write here a square, here a, then minus 3a into 2a minus 3a plus 2a. Is it? So a square minus 3a plus 2a minus 6 is equals to 0. Take out common factor a. Remaining factors are a and minus 3 plus 2 here. To take out common factor a minus 3 is equals to 0. So here a plus 2 into a minus 3 is equals to 0. The product of two linear polynomials is equal to 0. So either a plus 2 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equals to 0. So a value minus 2 comma 3, but not completed. They are given x minus a is a factor of g of x also. So that according to factor theorem, then g of plus a is equals to 0. Is it? So put x value a in g of x. Polynomial g of x, then it becomes a square plus 3a minus 18 is equals to 0. Now again factorization. By product we should get minus 18a square. By sum we get plus 3a. Minus 18a square can be written as minus plus 6a into minus 3a. Is it? So plus 3a can be written as 6a plus minus 3a. Is it clear? See, now I am writing a square instead of plus 3a plus 6a minus 3a minus 18 is equals to 0. So here from first two factors we can take out a as common factor. So a plus 6. From next two terms we can take out minus 3 as common factor. Now it becomes plus a plus 6 is equals to 0. So here a minus 3 into a plus 6 is equal to 0 because of a plus 6 common factor. Now the product of these two polynomials is 0. So either a minus 3 is equal to 0 or a plus 6 is equals to 0. Then a value either 3 comma minus 6. Now we got here a values 4 values, minus 2 3 here and here 3 minus 6. Which one is common among these? 3 is the common. So final answer is a value is 3 is correct because of if you write minus 2 but here is no minus 2, that means x plus 2 is a factor. Here is there x plus 2? No. That means from a values to minus 2 comma 3, what are the factors? X plus 2 comma x minus 3. From this value x minus 3 comma x plus 6. So from these 4, which one is common factor? X minus 3. So a value 3 is correct answer. So like this we have to solve problems based on factor theorem. Most selected concept in competitive exams also. Okay, my dear children, let us solve next problem. That is, if a y minus 3 is a factor of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18, then find the other two factors. How did you find this question? See, go to actual division. Okay, that is, here y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18 is the dividend. Y minus 3 is the factor. Okay. Then general procedure how we have to first divide the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Then y cube by y gives us y square. So y cube by y gives us y square. So y square is the first term of the quotient. Now y minus 3 into this y square gives us y cube minus 3y square. So that y cube minus 3y square. Now subtract the terms. Y cube minus y cube gets cancelled. Minus 2y square plus 3y square gives us y square. Bring down next term. That is minus 9y. It is a new dividend. Okay. What is the first term of this new dividend? Y square. Y square by y. So plus y. Y into y minus 3. Y square minus 3y. Subtraction. Signs will change. Cancel. Plus 9y plus 3y minus 6y plus 18. minus 6y by y, that gives us minus 6. Minus 6 into y, minus 6y, minus 3 into minus 6 plus 18. So difference sign will change, gets cancelled, remainder 0. So here what is the quotient? Y square plus y minus 6 is the quotient. So now factorize it. Y square plus y minus 6 you factorize. Y square plus y minus 6 is the quotient. Now dividend is equal to y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18 is equals to divisor into quotient. Y minus 3 into y square plus y minus 6 plus remainder. What is the remainder here? 0. So here y minus 3 and y square plus y minus 6 are the factors. Y minus 3 and y square plus y minus 6 are the factors. It is a quadratic polynomial. Is it possible to factorize it? If possible, we have to simplify it, or else we can leave like this. We can keep like this. Okay. So I am trying to factorize it. So now I am factorizing y square plus y minus 6. See, now I am factorizing y square plus y minus 6. That is y square plus y minus 6 is equals to minus 6 into y square minus 6y square. So product we should get minus 6y square and sum we should get plus y. What are the suitable factors? What are those factors? Yes, 3y into 2y plus 3y into minus 2y plus 3y into minus 2y. Now how to sum? Plus 3y plus minus 2y. Okay. Now y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6. Now from these first two terms we can take out y common. So remaining y plus 3. From last two terms we can take minus 2 common, y plus 3. So what are the factors now for y plus 3? If you take out common, the remaining factors are y and minus 2. So into y plus 3. So these are the factors. Now finally, how many factors we got for this? It is that we got 3 factors. What are those? One is y minus 3. So for this what are the factors? Y minus 2 and y plus 3. So finally, what are the factors for this polynomial? For this polynomial, y minus 2 into y minus 3 into y plus 3 is the final answer. Is it clear? So like this you have to factorize, and in next video, in next class, I am going to give one technique to this problem, how to find the quotient and remainder, or else we can say that how to find the factors of a cubic polynomial or a biquadratic polynomial. Is it? Thank you.